Product of Splunk Enterprises. Now we arrive at the Splunk Enterprises, the flagship product. Splunk Enterprise is designed for large scale, mission critical environments. It's installed and managed on premises or in your own cloud infrastructure, giving you complete control over your data and how it handles. You can scale up to thousands of machines, support complex security setups, and build custom apps and dashboard for different teams. It also supports advanced data lifecycle policies like archiving and cold storage. In short, Splunk Enterprises in your go-to choice when your organization needs powerful analytics but also full control over infrastructure. Best for on-premise deployments with compliance requirements, for example, banks or government. Exercise. Students should install and explore Splunk Enterprises locally.